we are so honoured to welcome our speakers, Suzanne, Billy, Tanya, Storm, Chris, and of course our beautiful host, Rachel Carey.
I'm so glad I've come to this event because I've learned so much to take away with me and implement, and I've made so many new connections.
This event is absolutely amazing. It's filled with passion and filled with love for the sector and a overfilling emotion of knowledge, empowerment, and a push to success.
It's so much to take away. In a nutshell, it has been valuable, value add that you can easily add to your business and your time, and definitely works for me. I'm sure it'll work for you too.
Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, this my prime. Let me tell them one time, I've been on the grind, and this my prime. Let me tell them one time, set them all in my